Hello. I am going to show you how to make an LPS book bag like this. It can be made bigger for any size doll. So basically a doll book bag, because I made a bigger one for my Monster High. Watch. See? It's really big. Bigger than the LPS. Well, not if you count the stems on top. Well, whatever. It's as big, I guess. So I'm going to make one like this. See what you do. It goes around like that. So yeah. So I'm going to make one of those. What you'll need is construction paper, any color that you want, ribbon, scissors, and tape. Yeah, so you take the construction paper and you cut out how big you want it. Like, I'm gonna make mine like this. Fold it. See? I'm gonna cut it right here because it's not even. Okay, so there we are. Then you take the tape . So yeah, since I have a little bit extra, I'll just cut that. Sorry. Okay, so I did the other side now. Okay, so make sure you have the inside open, so you can put stuff in it. Yeah. So now make a thing, a lid thing for it. Whatever it is. So so I cut that out. I'm gonna the parts that's weird. Stop there, and then you. Let me get the thing. Oh. So, which side is gonna be the back? I'll choose this side to be the back. No, actually, this side to be the back. So that's the back. Take this. Oh. I just strip. There we are. And then you fold it down. There we are. Now I'm gonna do is just gonna like that. And then what you do is see just you open it up like that. Oh, sorry. Let me just make it like that. See? Oh, that. See? Perfect. It still folds down. That. And then take your ribbon. And let's see how much I want to cut. I'm going to cut this one. Goes from there all the way over here. Okay, now you can see. Yeah, that's kind of long, but I think it's too long, so I'm going to cut a little bit out. A little bit too long. There we are. See, it goes like that. So, get the perfect shape here. Piece of tape. Put it on there. There we are. And that's how you do it. Now, as you can see, the computer can slide right in there. So she can take it anywhere. Oh, I made the strap a little too small, but I'll have to live with it. This is gonna be for someone else. Take her computer out. Let me get my other one. Okay, it's gonna be for her. Yeah, so this is mine. Yeah, awesome. I've always wanted one. As you can see, just wraps around her perfectly. So it's yours. Thank you. I can put lots of stuff in it. What should I put in there? So yeah, she's weird. Okay, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take my bag, my computer. I'm moving today. So, just gotta pack it in. Ugh. Okay, Mom. Got my bag ready. The movers just need to get my desk and my chair. Okay, sweetie.